Hey, I'm Eric Welch, Product Manager for Sonance here at InfoComm 2026, and I'm going to show you our new Sonance System Calculator. What this does is allows you to enter a use case or application and generate a speaker layout or placement and give you a bill of materials of not only the speakers you need, but the amplifier that goes with them. So a real quick demo for you. We'll just enter our room dimensions. 35, and we'll enter our height. Oh my. Okay, and then we can select our speaker type. Right now we're either ceiling or pendant. We'll be adding more models as we continue with the application. Our listener position, you can choose your application. And then your coverage overlap here. And once you hit calculate, it's going to recommend a speaker for you. You can change that speaker to any of our models if you like. How many you need, the spacing, your speaker tap, and your power. And then next you get a placement guide with a cross-section view. You can also look at an SPL heat map. And then you would come down and see your amplifier summary. And again, you can change that to any of our amplifiers you like. And when you're done, you can generate a report and be able to hand that to a customer with all the data and everything they need. And at the bottom of the report, you can find a bill of materials. So if you're interested in trying it out, you can go to sonance.com under the Professional tab and then go to Resources and the Sonance System Calculator.